Good morning. Today I'm gonna do a day in my college life. A day in my college life. It's gonna be 7 in the morning. My first class is at 8, so I'm gonna get ready. I don't get ready. I just do like a little bit of makeup, and I kind of don't do my hair sometimes. So yeah, I'm gonna get ready. Okay, so I already changed. This is my outfit. I don't really dress up for school. I mean, it's just school. So now I'm just gonna do my hair. And I'm pretty much gonna do the same thing. I don't really like getting my hair up just right now because I have a lot of baby hairs. And it bothers me a lot. So I just leave it down or put in a bun, or I do a braid. So today I think I'm just gonna leave it down. It's good down. So I'm just gonna do it like that, and I'm just gonna put some perfume on. Today I'm just gonna wear this one. I actually use more body sprays than perfume. It's so cold. It's freezing. But yeah, it's already 7:25 and I'm head to college. I even have a blanket here because I'm cold, man. So yeah, let's go before there's a lot of traffic. Okay, so I'm here. I still have 20 minutes and I'm just gonna start heading over there. It's freezing. It's so cold. And I didn't even eat. So I didn't even eat my bagel. I usually don't like it like this. I kind of like it toasted. Oh darn. There's some people in the car in front of me. Embarrassing. So yeah, I'm just gonna be eating it on my way. Here we go already. So I could be warm in class. That's my building over there. So that's my building. That's my first. Actually, this is a building where I have 3 of my classes. The only one I have, it's all the way over there. It's cold. But yeah, all my 3 classes are in this building. Only one I have to walk really far. I'll come back to you guys when I go to the second. So I'm going to my 3rd class. they're back to back, but on my way over there, I'm gonna be eating my lunch that I brought. I have to walk all the way over there, so I'm gonna eat my lunch while walking to my third class. Hey guys, so I'm out. It's kind of hot now. I'm out of my 4 classes that I have, and I'm just gonna head home and probably take a nap. Just kidding, I don't know yet. I have a lot of homework to do, so I'll see what I do when I get home. And yeah.
Hey, my Sunday broke.
Okay, so I'm home. I picked up my nephew from, sorry, I have all kinds of things. I picked up my nephew from school. And so yeah, I forgot to tell you guys, I get out of class at 2:15. That's when my last class ends. And right now it's like almost 3. And yeah, I think I'm just gonna end up the video here. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this day in life. My college day. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, please give it a thumbs up, and see you on my next one. Bye.